Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to POCO C50. You need to start by opening Play Store on both and clicking on the search bars. Then type in Send Anywhere and install this app from this developer. When your app is ready, open it. In order to use Send Anywhere app, you need to do exactly the same on both devices. Tap on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the other one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window, you can tap on Not Now if you want to, and then close it by selecting OK. Following that, tap on Send at the bottom left corner of your Android and on Receive next to Send at the bottom of POCO. Also on POCO, tap on the best option for your ads. Yes, I agree or no thanks. Then select Close this window and go back to an Android. Finally, you can tap on all of those categories from the top and select all of those type of dots. This way, you will choose all your files from this category and then transfer them. You can also just click on the chosen ones. In my case, this one photo. When you're ready, go on by choosing Send next to Selected. Now tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and pick the best connection way for you. If you want to scan this QR code, just click on scanning icon located next to input key on POCO. Then allow camera access by tapping on while using the app or only this time. And last but not least, point your device's camera at the code. Then wait. You can also just input this key in Input Key section and connect thanks to Receive button. So when I click on it, as you can see, in the matter of seconds, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!